Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at Luna 2.0 in particular, and discuss what's happening with it. So before we get into that, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated to the hottest trends in crypto market and the content that we produce almost on a regular basis, make sure to also click on the bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangeko with a zero at the end. Now, I have a personal YouTube channel and a Telegram group where I post the trades that I take and my thoughts on the market. So if you're into that sort of content, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Telegram group as well. So without further ado, let's get into Luna. The last time we discussed Luna, it was a fractal that I noted. Basically, this fractal was a liquidity run below a previous low, followed by a move up, right? It was as simple as that. Now, there were a few similarities that I saw between what happened on 8th June and 19th June and what happened on 13th July and 18th June. So basically Luna created a low, swept the low, quickly recovered above that low, and then ran up, set a top, boom, 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 swept the low formed previously, recovered very quickly, and then moved up, set another equal set of highs, boom, boom, boom. So this is what I noticed, right? And an interesting take here is that XRP's, not XRP, the Luna's price, RSI, was also revealing something similar. When the sweep happened of a previous low, the RSI was in an oversold zone. So now that although it wasn't a perfect fractal, that was enough for me to go on, and I predicted that Luna price could go all the way up and retest the declining trend line here. Right now, I expected one of two things could happen. The first target was basically the declining trend line. Second target was the equal high formed at $2.8, and then perhaps $3.5. Right, I've been expecting Luna price to hit $3.5 since this crash down below that, but it's not happening. Like there's a lot of perhaps you could say it's a mixture of bad news combined with bad times. So yeah, Luna price is still getting subdued, and by the looks of it, it is forming some sort of a decline. It looks like majority, there's a major amount of selling pressure, or sellers basically controlling the market. So once we break above this trend line here, declining trend line, then the buyers, it will indicate the buyers have taken control, in which case you can expect Luna to sweep above the equal highs from the 2.8 and 3.51. Now this basically, from even if you long here right now with no certainty or proof, you would be making 45% on the upswing here and 83% on the upswing to $3.5. Technically speaking, there is still a very massive amount of inefficiencies formed for Luna price and extends all the way up to $6. And so yeah, there is a lot of potential for Luna, but there is no spark, or there's no catalyst, or there's no trigger for the price to start going up on this trend. So yeah, for now, I think 3.5 is where I would have to stick with my targets for Luna. As for the downside, you should hope that Luna price does not produce a daily candlestick close below $1.6. And even if it does, hopefully it's just to collect liquidity resting below the 13th June low, in which case, even if it does manage to collect liquidity, it needs to recover pretty quickly above that level, and then maybe hopefully we'll go on another trend, run up that retests this declining trend line. So yeah, that is my take for Luna. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.